there's a principle you can do. Bounce the eye and starve the sumo.
Bounce the eye and starve the soul.
Sumo.
Starve the sumo.
Okay,
Sumo wrestler.
I'll explain.
Maganda yan. Okay. Ano yan?
Yung bounce the eye, pag may nakita ka, iba-bounce mo.
Huwag mong bababaran.
Huwag mong bababa.
May nakita kang sexy. Nakabihis, nakakaiba.
Ah.
Pag binabara mo yan, magnanasa ka eh. So you just bounce. Paano bounce? Tingin lang.
Yung second look yung makakadali sa'yo eh.
Yung second look. Yung second look, may look ng pagnanasa.
Second look at saka may titig na eh.
Okay.
So you bounce the eye.
Okay.
So that's the principle that Steve Ferrar was saying. The second thing that he said was starve the sumo.
How do you starve the sumo? Papayat, ang sumo wrestler.
How do you defeat a sumo wrestler? Starve him.
Syempre, pag payat walang power yan.
Pagpayat, walang power. So ibig sabihin, your soul, yung sarili mo, yung desires mo, pag lagi mong finifeed, lumalakas yan. Pag yung mga maling desires. Pero pag in-starve mo, himang-hihina yan.